prostate gland is, again, if you find the bladder, so here's the bladder, here's the inferior part of the bladder here. This ball-like feature right below where the bladder is, and I'm pointing to right there, that's the prostate gland. So just inferior.
So a pin on that will be just right there.
Exactly. If you see a pin going right below where the bladder is in the male mink, you know you're talking about the prostate gland. Right? As far as some nerves to see here, another system we can look at. Let's see on our mink. Oh, some more blood vessels here too, by the way, down here in the mink's thigh. What do we have? Femoral vein, a femoral artery, and little tiny white string here. Quite nice. There you go. That's a femoral nerve. So femoral nerve is here, femoral artery, and a femoral vein. Once again, that's as nice as you'll see those three structures on the front of the mink's thigh. Nerve, artery, and vein in that order. Okay. On the back of the mink's thigh, what do you have here? Sciatic nerve, which remember is going to branch into two branches. So the whole nerve together right here is sciatic. What are its branches? The one branch going to the mink's, the back of its calf. That's going to be the tibial nerve going in there. The one going on the outside here is called the common fibular nerve. So common fibular, and we said tibial nerve where they combine right here, that's the sciatic nerve, which we saw on the back of the mink's thigh before.
And you're going to expect us to know about the phrenic?
Phrenic, no. We didn't find a good phrenic nerve, but vagus you want to know. So we already saw the vagus nerve up here in the mink's neck, correct? The last thing to look at here, the mink's underarm brachial plexus. So all these white areas, like I'm just pointing to one part of the brachial plexus, so that's several components. So anything in the mink's underarm region that is white, that's brachial plexus.
And the phrenic nerve, if we could find one, would be in that area?
The phrenic nerve would be down here in the mink's thoracic area. It will be going down to the diaphragm, exactly. None of the minks we had preserved.
So you wouldn't be able to see it in the brachial?
No, not the brachial plexus, no, definitely not.
In the manual, that's where it shows it.
Oh, really? The brachial plexus,
that's... It running kind of like...
It's running through here. It's coming from the neck up into the thorax. You wouldn't find it out in the underarm, that's for sure. Okay? Right?
So anything that's white in the axillary area is brachial
plexus, correct, exactly. Okay, and then finally we said, I don't want to unwrap here, but the little mink's brain, remember we said only two parts to identify, cerebrum and cerebellum. And those are which are pretty basic. I don't think anybody would miss those on the practice. Okay, did I get them all? I think I hit everything, every structure I could think of.
What about
We just have to
that's all for the present for the mink?
That's got some other different view of arteries here. Did you watch it? Further? Or some big veins. They should be nice. Look at this mink. Beautiful. Look at the nice splenic vein there. So splenic vein, superior mesenteric vein, and the big one here is the hepatic portal vein. Another one not on your list shows up super nice. Look at this nice vein. That's inferior mesenteric. That's really nice there. So superior mesenteric, splenic, hepatic portal vein. Then down here, like we saw before, nice inferior vena cava, abdominal, thoracic, abdominal aorta. You're in the abdomen, just so we know. Okay. So here is our left renal vein. Right behind it is a left renal artery, kind of hiding right in there. Also, beautifully, look at the nice adrenal gland, how it really shows up well here.
It looks like nothing.
So it's small, it's tiny. That's exactly what it looks like. It's a little bean that's held in place by this vein here. So that's our left adrenal gland here. Also nice in this mink, look at the terminal branches of the aorta, how nice they show up here. Look at that. The external iliac arteries, and right behind them the external iliac veins. Okay. So the terminal branches of the aorta. Something else here, it's a shame, I don't have these on your list as well. These are the testicular. In fact, I think I do, don't I?
You
testicular,
do,
yes. Oh, so good thing I didn't show on the other mink as well. This little tiny artery here, that's a testicular artery. This would be left testicular, right testicular. They will go down to the testes. Well, sorry, here's right testicular. So right testicular. This one is inferior mesenteric. That's not on your list. But it shows up beautifully. So this is right testicular. This is left testicular. Beside it here, look at this thing. That's a vein. This is the left testicular vein going right up to the mink's left renal vein. See the very same thing in humans too. Okay, so this mink had super nice. Some of these tiny vessels really showed up nice in this mink overall. One thing you did want to see on this mink though, our kidney here, this was the ureter going all the way down to the bladder. So the ureter will connect the kidney down. Yep. Well, look where it's connected to though. Look where it's going to. You can't touch it, but you certainly can use your eyes to kind of trace it along here. So that's the ureter. Down here would be the urinary bladder. Prostate, oh look at another nice prostate gland, even nicer than the other one. Right there is prostate, see right below that. No, this is a male mink. It's a small male mink. Okay, so this is still a prostate gland. Whenever you see a penis, it ought to be a male. Okay, so this is the prostate gland, right below where the urinary bladder is going to be. Okay, that's the last thing you really see on this mink without unwrapping the brain here.